Hello, I'm Ahmed Al-Houfi, and in this small video I'll be showing you the new version of Easy Rain. Easy Rain is a small plugin that helps you creating rain animations easily and fast inside Cinema 4D. So let's begin by adding this Easy Rain plugin, and you should find this working now. You have here 4 tabs for customizing the plugin, customizing the animation and some other options. There are 5 tabs. So let's begin with the TB. TB is a tab which gives you the ability to add colliders to the rain, so the rain will collide with them, and you need to use editable objects in order to make this work. As you see here, by adding this you will begin to find a splash effect here, and this is the TB option. If you have more than 10 colliders, you can begin to connect objects together and add them as one collider, and they will work. So in the particle tab you have options for the burst rate, the start emission, the stop emission, and you have options for the gravity strength, and options for scale variation, and speed variation. Also you have an option for adding a custom particle shape. For example, you can add this cube here, and you should have this one working now. If you went again to the default one, you will find them working. You have the level of detail, and this is only available with the default particle shape. Going to the splash tabs, you have the ability to increase the number of splashes. You can disable the splash by just shrinking the value to 0. You have the ability to increase the splash speed, the gravity strength, and the lifetime. You can also change the scale of the splashes. You have the variation, and you can enable or disable scale over age. As you see, if we just increase the number of frames, the splashes begin to scale down until they disappear, and this can be disabled from here, so they will only disappear suddenly. And you can play with this gradient to create a different scale effect. And finally, in the emitter tab, you have the ability to change the emitter shape, circle or rectangle. You have the ability to change its size and angle horizontal and angle vertical. And as finally, the material tab, which gives you the ability to add a material for the rain. Note that the colliders tab doesn't work within the floor. This doesn't work with the floor, so if I replaced this plane with the floor, this won't work. So this plugin needs in order to make the rain collides with the in order to make the rain collides with the colliders, you need to use polygonal objects. So I hope you find this plugin useful, and goodbye and see you soon.